Hey guys, this is Mark Shaws in the Pattern Trader, and I just completed the second session of our 5 days of Christmas special, where in every single day this week I go into the markets live while our members look at how I set up and analyze each one of the trading opportunities. I go through all of the markets and show you why I eliminate most trades and how I try and select only the best risk reward trades going into the next session. So we talked a lot about not only how to understand and identify and capitalize on the moves that seem very opportune, but also how to identify the tripwires, the potholes in the road, if you will, the traps that the market sets for you. And to me, through 4 decades of trading, this is what has been perhaps the most revealing, that's made the most difference in my trading. Understanding exactly where the tripwires are in the market, both from a psychological standpoint as well as a technical standpoint. And in particular, I talked a lot about gold, XAU, USD. It's putting on what I think is a false move now, and the euro yen. Also what I think is a false move within the cadence of a long-term trend. And so we spent a lot of time talking about that, how to identify opportunities, and then how to get out of the way of these tripwires in the market. So the people on the webinar seem to really enjoy it. I'm just going to read a couple of comments from the webinar. Wolfgang says, "Thank you so much. You are really different from the other self-called gurus out there. They put on or work with all of the indicators on the chart. So as I revealed, I only use clean charts. There are no moving averages. There are no indicators. It's only what I call a naked chart, where all we're looking at is price and time to see the true picture that the market's revealing for itself." Wolfgang goes on to say, "Your analysis really confirms what I'm thinking. It gives me a strong trust in my knowledge." Dennis says, "Thank you for these sessions." John says, "I love it." Carl says, "That was amazing and you make it look so easy." Shuhandi says, "I keep learning something new every day when I check in with you." Justin said, "This was an excellent presentation, very clear and easy to understand." Howard says, "Thanks, Mark, I get it. Patterns are easier to see." Ronnie says, "This was great training. Steve says, "Your presentation was excellent again." And then Gary says, "I enjoy you watching break down the charts. It's much clearer looking at the weekly charts." So guys, thanks for those comments. So again, I looked at many different markets, shared exactly what my thought process was and how I broke down the analysis of each one of the markets and how I came up with the 2 high risk reward trades going into the next session. Both were euro correlated trades. So I suggested trades in the euro New Zealand dollar and the euro yen. So I hope if you haven't been a part of these webinar series that you'll check in for the next one. And if you have been on them, then just keep on trucking and show up again tomorrow. It'll be at the same time, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope to see you all on the next session of the 5 days of Christmas special. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I'll see you next time.